children, welcome back to the new session of chapter 13, surface area and volumes. It's long time that we started this chapter. Alright? और उसकी पूर्णा होती है आज. This is session number 26 and it is the final session. Of course, final as far as completing the chapter is concerned. Okay? Otherwise, we'll have to do lots in this chapter, lots more, especially the objective type of questions. And we'll do it in future. Okay? So, let's see the last three sums of exercise number 13.8. Question number 8. Alright? Are you ready?
Yes.
So here is the question. A dome of a building is in the form of hemisphere. The dome, temple, mosque. ऊपर dome आता है ना? That is hemispherical in shape. From inside, अंदर से, it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 4,989 rupees and 60 paise. If the cost of children, very interesting, the cost of whitewashing is given. Normally, that is a question. Normally, that is what you are supposed to find. But here, you are not supposed to find the cost of whitewashing. The total cost of whitewashing the inner surface area of hemispherical dome is so much. It's already given. आगे देखो. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 20 per square, what is that? Rate of whitewashing. 1 meter square whitewashing cost rupees 20. So this is the cost. So how many square meters of whitewashing is done? Simple cross multiplication. So you will get the, very good, the inner surface area of the dome. Find two things. Inside surface area of dome, that you will get, and a volume of air inside the dome. Alright? Second question we can attempt later. First, we'll try to answer this. Solution 8. Okay? Though not required, I have habit of drawing the figure, so I'll do that. This is hemispherical. जो इसका radius ही है. अच्छा, what are you given? Rate. What is the rate of whitewashing? Yes, rupees 20 per meter square. And total cost? Rupees, yeah, I'll put symbol for rupees. Rupees 4989.60. First, you can find the area. Cost, which is in terms of rupees, and area, which is in terms of square. Here is the rate. If you whitewash below 1 meter square, it's going to cost you rupees 20. Now, what is the cost of whitewashing? 4,989. So I'll put in the cost column 4,989.60 rupees. So much is the cost. So, what area is whitewashed? Cross multiplication. So, this gives me 4,989.60 multiplied by 1 whole upon 20. Children, I have removed the decimal. So 2 digits after that. So upon 100. Not 10. 2 digits here. Now I can cancel this 0. 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 9s are, 2 4s are, 2 8s are. So that is 249.48 upon 100 है ना? Therefore, question mark कहाँ है? अरे वाह, area. So many meters square. You got the area. Got it? I'll put in the box. That is my first goal, and it is achieved. What is the surface area of the dome? So you may write that answer. The surface area of the dome is 249.48 meters square. Got it? Did you understand?
Yes.
What is the next target?
Volume of air inside the dome.
What is the formula for volume of hemisphere? 2/3 pi r cube. The volume of hemisphere is 2/3
Pi r cube.
So what do you require? Radius. We don't have. What do I call this condition? This situation?
Extension of.
Very good. Extension of condition. So I'll write that is equal to area. Uski area 249.48 meter square. But by formula क्या है? Formula क्या है? 2 pi r square. And I shall call it result number. Here you are. By 1 it follows that. By 1 it follows that. What? 2 pi r square is 249.48. चलिए 2 into 22 upon 7 into r square, that is 24948 upon 100. Therefore, r square is equal to 24948 multiplied by 7 upon 2 into 22, और ये 100 तो था, should be a multiple of 11. पहले 11 ले लो. 11 2s are 2 का तो है ही. 11 2s are 22, 2 बचा. 11 2s are 22, 7 बचा. 11 6s are 66, 8 बचा. 11 8s are 2 से भी जा रहा है. 2 1s are 1s are 3s are 4s are. ये 2 भी जा रहा है. 2 5s are 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are. All right. Therefore, बोलिए r square is 567 multiplied by
7
upon. Therefore, square root of r square is square root of this. Taking square root on both sides. Use your skill. How to find? ये तो मिल गया. What is square root of 100? 10. अब इसके लिए आप ये काम करो. 567 7 से जा रहा है. 7 8 जा 7 1 जा. मजा आ गया. ये तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है. किसका है? हाँ, क्योंकि स्क्वायर रूट ढूंढ रहे. 9 9 जा 9 1 जा. और एक और 7 है ना? अरे यहाँ पर 7 लिख देता हूँ, 1 नहीं लिखूंगा. 7 7 1 जा. चोरी हो गई. 9 multiplied by. Did you understand? 63 upon. That is 6 point. अरे ये तो रेडियस. This is radius. अब फाइनल गोल वॉल्यूम वो तो बाकी है. ओके, कहाँ जगह है? I'll write here now. I'll remove the figure. Okay. So finally, what is the formula to find volume? This is hemisphere. For sphere it is 4/3. 2/3 pi r cube, not square. 2 upon 3 into 22 upon 7. R is 6.3. So 3 times I can write 63 upon 10. 63 upon 10 into 63 upon 10. 7 1s are 7, 21s are 2 1s are 2. Sorry, 3 1s are 3. 7. 63 into 63. My goodness, बहुत काम करना पड़ेगा, है ना? So 63 multiplied by 63. ये दोनों का multiplication. 0, 18, 36, 37. 9 और 18. 9, 6, 9, 3. Multiplied by 7 into 2. 14 कर लेता हूँ. चलेगा ना? 0, 9, 6, 9, 3. 36, 3. 24, 27, 2. 36 और 2, 38, 3. 12 और 2. 12 और 3, 15, 6, 6, 15, 15 or 5. Multiplied by 24 by 0. 12, 13, 11, 11, 11. 1, 1, 1, 1. 3, 2. 2, 5, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. And divide by what? 1000. Divide by 1000. So 1, 222, 4, 5, 2. So 3 places of decimal. 122.452 centimeter cube. That's the volume. Meter में है centimeter में? Meter में. So that is going to be meter cube. So that's the second goal. The volume of this air. Yeah, volume of air. Yeah, inside the dome will be 1222.452 meter square, meter cube. Okay, all right. So children, moving on to the next question of the exercise. It's going to be the second last question, and it's question number 9. Yeah, little bit different from what we have been solving so far. But try to understand the statement. If you understand the statement well, it's going to be easy. Check. 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius not 7 centimeter, not 2.4 centimeter, not 8 centimeter, or not 5 meter. The figure is not given. It's unknown. R. And surface area S. What is the surface area of that sphere? S. And how many such spheres are there? 20. Small spheres. Okay. Are melted. Those 27 spheres are solid spheres are melted to form a sphere with surface area S dash. जो छोटा स्फीयर है उसकी सरफेस एरिया S और 27 स्फीयर्स को मेल्ट करके बनाया गया बड़ा स्फीयर उसकी सरफेस एरिया है S. Find the radius R dash of new sphere. So you have to find the radius of new sphere. Second, ratio of S is surface area of that original small sphere, right? And S dash is the surface area of
New sphere.
कैसे? Now see, there is small sphere and large sphere. पहले तो मैं उसको ऐसे डिपिक्ट करूंगा फिगर को. सॉल्यूशन नंबर 9. ये क्या है?
Spheres.
कितने?
27.
And I'm putting the word small. ठीक है? फिर उसको सबको मेल्ट करके एक बनाया गया है. This is big. Are you getting me? So 27 are melted and formed or converted into one sphere. इसका रेडियस, इसका सरफेस एरिया, I am using the words there. इसका रेडियस, इसका सरफेस एरिया, इसका वॉल्यूम भी, क्योंकि वॉल्यूम ऑल्सो we don't have to find no volume we don't have to find, but still we'll need. I'll tell you why. Volume, okay, I'll write later. Radius is surface area is radius for new sphere is and surface area is S dash. Okay, now what shall we do? I have to find R dash. मुझे R dash ढूंढना है. कैसे ढूंढूं? How to find? कहां से इक्वेशन आएगा? Children, how many spheres? Each sphere is of radius R. Radius R. Each sphere is of radius R. And surface area S. Now when you melt this, what will be the volume of that 27 spheres? अच्छा, बराबर समझ लीजिए. I melt this sphere. How many?
27.
And then form one sphere. All right? Of radius r. Now I'm doing the reverse process. I'm melting this sphere again and then converting into 27 spheres, each of radius r. जैसे ओरिजिनल स्फीयर था उसी साइज का फिर से 27 स्फीयर्स बना दिए. Is that possible? Yes, of course. Why not? Yes, of course. What doesn't change for these spheres? इसको मेल्ट करके एक बनाओ या एक में से 27 बनाओ. Very good, very good. Volume is going to be the same. That's why I told you will require volume. So I'm using the word volume and volume here. Right? इसका volume of course. Very good. इसका volume V dash कहेंगे. All right. Children. Not volume of one sphere. Here we have volume of. So volume of 27 spheres is equal to volume of this sphere. So now this is very important statement. Volume of 27 small spheres is equal to volume of big sphere. यहाँ एक ही है. So that will be 27 times. What is volume of small sphere? Symbol लगा देते हैं. Volume of 27 spheres will be 27 times the volume of small sphere is equal to volume of big sphere. That is V. And now, up formula 27 into what is volume of this sphere? 4/3 pi r cube. So 4/3 pi. I'm talking about this. What is the radius? R. So r cube is equal to. Now V dash, that is volume of large sphere. उसकी भी फॉर्मूला क्या होगी? 4/3 pi r cube. But इसका रेडियस तो
R dash.
So I'm putting r dash on whole cube. ये चल रहे. See, ये रहा r dash. और अच्छी बात ये है 4/3 cancels, pi cancels, है ना? So therefore 27 r cube is equal to r dash whole cube. What you are supposed to find? R dash. So आपको क्या लेना होगा? Cube root. Taking cube root of बोलो cube root of 27. Yes, 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. इस बार आपको ट्रिपलेट चाहिए. So 3. और cube root of r cube r. That is equal to r dash. I.e. r dash is equal to first target is h. Sir, ये क्या बात हो गई? R dash is 3 times r. जैसी करनी स्टेटमेंट में कोई फिगर दिया नहीं तो फिगर थोड़ी आएगा. R dash is 3 times r. इसका रेडियस इसके रेडियस से 3 गुना होगा. So that is r dash. Got it? Next, what you are supposed to find? The ratio of surface area of small sphere and surface area of
Sphere.
all right. What shall I do? I'll just remove this figure here. Now, बोलिए S is to S dash. Yeah, should I write upon? Yes. Now surface area of small sphere. बोलो formula. Very good. 4 pi r square. उसका r ही है. और surface area of new sphere S dash 4 pi r square. लेकिन उसका r dash है. So I'll write square. बोलिए 4 pi gone. ये दोनों स्क्वायर है. So write whole
Square.
बोलिए r upon
R dash.
है ना? Now what is r dash? So write bracket में whole square. R is r and that is 3r. My goodness, r bhi gaya. So square of ये 1 बचा, square of 1 1, square of 3 9. Therefore s is 2s dash. अपॉन को रेशियो में बना दिया तो 1:9. I hope that is clear to you. So ratio of surface area S and S dash is 1:9. Alright, so here is the screenshot. We'll see the last sum of the exercise now. Okay, are you ready for the final question of final session? सब सो रहा है क्या? Now see, please pay attention. What is the question? A capsule of medicine is in the shape of sphere of diameter 3.5 millimeter. कैप्सूल बहुत छोटा होता है. अब जब कैप्सूल के बारे में आप सुनोगे, when you hear of capsule, दिमाग में पहला पिक्चर ये आ जाएगा. सर ऐसा होता है कैप्सूल, है ना? सर इतना पार्ट सिलिंड्रिकल होता है और इतना पार्ट हेमिस्फेरिकल होता है. बट ये वाला कैप्सूल ना, हियर द शेप इज लाइक अ स्फीयर. सो ऐसा कैप्सूल है. द कैप्सूल इज स्फेरिकल, नॉट दिस. यू अंडरस्टैंड? दिस टाइप ऑफ कैप्सूल यू विल लर्न इन 10th standard. Okay? बस. So diameter of this capsule is how much? 3.5. All right. How much medicine in millimeter cube is needed to fill this capsule? इसमें जो मेडिसिन भरनी है वो कितना मिलीमीटर क्यूब चाहिए? जितना भी कैप्सूल का वॉल्यूम है. All right, so simple. Solution. I'll draw the figure for capsule. Its diameter is given, which is 3.5 mm. बोलिए. Therefore, radius will be what? या 35 upon 10 और upon 2 कर दूं तो वो रेडियस हो गया, because radius is equal to d by 2. Okay, now you have to find the volume. बोलिए. Now volume is equal to, what is the formula? 4/3 pi r cube. So 4 upon 3 pi 22 upon 7 radius 35 upon 20. May I write that?
Yes.
Into 35 upon 20 into 35 upon 20. 3 ones are 3 pies are. 4 ones are 4 pies are. 5 pi cancel. ये 3 का इलाज नहीं है और वही गड़बड़ करने वाला है. 2 tens are 2 11. So that is 35 into 35. That is 1225. Okay, multiplied by 11. So एक 0 और 1 double 2 5. 5 7 4 3 1. So 1 3 4 7 5 divided by 20 into this 3 and 600. Should I divide now? Yes. 1 3 4 7 5 divided by 600. Bolo 2s are 1200. 7 4 or 1. Bring down this. Again 2s are 1200. 5 7 or 2. 0.0. 4s are 2400. 0 5 or 3. 0. 6 5s are 3000. That's it. So that is equal to 22.45 millimeter cube approximately. This is approximately. क्या बोला? कोई चिल्ला? Millimeter cube. That is the volume of medicine required to fill one capsule. Finally, you may write the answer. Is that clear? All right, children. One of the boys brought to my notice that in the question number 8, the second part, the answer is not matching with the answer given at the back in the textbook. And it's true. I made error while calculating the volume. The formula of volume is 2/3 pi r cube. where radius was 6.3. Okay. So now 2 upon 3 into pi, 22 upon 7. बोलिए 63 upon 10 into 63 upon 10 into 63 upon 10. All right. I wrote 7 ones and 7 21s. दिमाग में 3 था, मेरे दिमाग में क्या था 3, 3 2s are 1s are, लेकिन कैंसिल यहाँ किया. So that was my mistake. बोलो 7 1s and 7 9s are 63 and 3s are. Now you will get the answer, right? 63 into 63 हमने किया था 0 18 और 37, 9 और 18, 9 16 9 और 3. Is that okay? Multiplied by 6. Okay, multiply by 6. 6 9s are 54, 36 41, then 54 58, 5 18 and 5 23. Still we have to multiply 2 3 184. Multiply by what? 22. So 0 8 2 16 7 or 4. 4 7 6 2 8. So 8 0 9 13 11 or 5. So that is 513,908 upon 1000. So you have 513.908 meter cube. Is that okay now? All right. Now see, please pay attention. Still any error? It's okay. You can multiply yourself approximately. Okay. Fine. Children, so that is one error that you have to rectify in question number 8. Question number 8 में आपको ये एक error जरा देखना है, right? I told you, even if you take the screenshot, do the calculation yourselves so that you have nice practice, because in this chapter you need lot of practice for calculations. All right? So that's all. We have completed the chapter. What was the last question? 10 number मतलब बस. Okay, तो बस हो गया. नहीं, बस नहीं हुआ है. Still we have to do lot of work. Okay, few difficult questions from R.D. Sharma and plenty of objective questions. Okay, so we'll see you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.